Hello student, in chapter 6 factors and multiples exercise 6a today we are going to do question number 8, that is find out LCM by prime factorization method. So first we discuss here what is LCM. LCM, full form of LCM is least common multiples. That means least, that means smallest number. So smallest number, that is multiples of two or more counting numbers, that is called least common multiples. वो छोटा से छोटा नंबर, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर जो दो या दो से अधिक नंबर्स के मल्टीपल हो, that is called least common multiple. So student, in this question we find out the LCM by prime factorization method. In this method, either we have to do with the help of factor tree, either we have to do with division. So question number 8a, 32 and 48, LCM of 32 and 48. So first we will find out the factor of 32 and 48. Then in LCM we write all the common factor and extra factor to find out the LCM. In HCF, we multiply only the common factor, but in LCM, we first find out the factor of 32 and 48, list the common factor and extra factor, and for LCM, we multiply all common factor and extra factor also. But in HCF, highest common factor, we only multiply the common factor of both number. Okay, so difference is clear here. Now let's, how we have to solve this. First write 32, for getting LCM, division method is very easy. You have to do either prime factorization, that is factor tree, 32. So it's divide by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Now again 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and last 2 1 ja 2, we get 1. Now 48. So start from 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. Now 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, and 3 is not divisible by 2, so we take 3 1 ja 3, we got 1, 3 1 ja 3. So student, we list all the factor of 32 and 48. Factor of 32 is equal to, we write all these factor, okay, 32. 2, how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And now student, factor of 48 is equal to, we write factor of 48 is equal to 2, 4 times 2 and 1 time 3. So student, we got one step, that factor of 32 and factor of 48. Okay, now we list out the common factor. So in this both factor, here 2 is common, this 2 is common, this 2 is common, and this 2. So we write LCM of 32 and 48 is equal to, 4 2's are common here, so we write 4 times 2's, okay, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. And student, इन एलसीएम वी राइट एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर ऑल्सो बिसाइड द कॉमन फैक्टर। जो हम कॉमन फैक्टर यहाँ पे राइट कर रहे हैं, कॉमन फैक्टर के अलावा जो आपका अदर फैक्टर जो आपका रेस्ट है, हम एलसीएम में उनको भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। ठीक है, सो वी राइट 1 2 here left and here 3 left, 2 multiply by 3. Okay, now 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 16 to 32 and 32 3 ja 96. This will be your answer. So student, to find out the LCM of 32 and 48, first we find out the factor of 32 and 48 separately. Either you do from this method, either from factor tree. Now write the factor of 32 and 48 aside and find out the common factor. Okay, for LCM of 32 and 48, write all the common factor. जो भी common factor होंगे हम write करेंगे, and we write also the factor that are not common in both number. ठीक है, और जो आपका factor common नहीं है हम उन numbers को भी लिखेंगे. ठीक है, and then we multiply all these factor to get the LCM. Hello student, in question number 9, the question is find out the LCM by division method. In question number 8, we find out the LCM by prime factorization method. And here we will discuss the division method and find out the LCM of 4, 16 and 20. So student, for division method, we write all these numbers given here, 4, 16 and 20. There were 3 numbers given to you and find out the LCM 4, 16 and 20. For division method, so student, in division method, this is LCM. And before that, in previous video, we learned about how to find HCF with division method. In HCF, we divide that number that divisible all these number. But in LCM, this is not same here. We start from 2 and that number that not divisible by that given number, we write that number as usual. So start from 2, 2 2s are 4, comma, 2 8s are 16, comma, and 2 10s are 20. Now again division possible with 2, so again we divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. We divide until we get 1. Okay, in all terms we want to get 1. So again divide 2 because 4 divisible by 2. Here 1, 2 2s are 4 and here 5 because 5 not divisible by 2. Now again here 2, 2 1s are 2 and 5. Now 5, 1 1 and 5 1s are 5. So student, we write here LCM of 4, 16 and 20. 4, 16 and 20 is equal to, we write all these factor. 4 times 2, and 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 and multiply by 5. 4 times 2 and 1 time 5. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16 and 16 5 ja 80. This will be your answer. So student, to find out the LCM by division method, we write all these number, okay, 4, 16, 20, and we will start division with 2 and we divide that number until we get 1. If it will not divisible by 2, then we write 3 here, okay. जब तक के 1 नहीं मिल जाता है हम जो है डिवीजन वाला प्रोसेस करते रहेंगे, either even number, either odd number, okay. And you only write, for getting LCM, only write this factor and find out the multiplication of these factor, then we get the LCM. So this is LCM by division method.